Of course, I'm going to do it in my toaster oven. Here's my book. Pop it in the toaster oven. Alive and well after all these years. The recipe that I'm going to show you is on page 89. It's called Simply Sweet Potatoes. I mean, this is a meal in itself. Okay, gave them a little bath. Cut some of the ends off. And you can do 4 if you want, just increase the baking time. 2 is enough for us today. I'm preheating my toaster oven to 425. You have one of these pans, like a reusable, sometimes you get pie crust in these. These are great. Then they won't leak into the oven itself. And put a slit in the middle there, just so they can vent while they're baking. And by the way, it took this toaster oven 5 minutes to get up to temperature. You don't have to fire up your big oven. No, not for 2, 4, or even 6 sweet potatoes. Put them in your toaster oven, 425. Oh, and there's Charlie waiting for the sweet potatoes. Don't worry, they're going to be done soon, Charlie. I'm going to set the timer for 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes, perfectly done, and look. Now they've cooled off a little bit. Now, you got a microwave? If you got a microwave and a toaster oven, what you do? Microwave 2 sweet potatoes, or 1, and then do a sweet potato in the toaster oven and dare to compare the flavor, okay? That's your challenge. So, just open this up like this. All right, just so well done. The skin just peels back like that. And then what you want to do is just take a fork, work up some of that pulp a little bit. Oh, they smell good. And then, and what I say in my recipe, lemon juice. So, I like the lemon juice. Why did we ever get into marshmallows and stuff? I don't know. About a teaspoon of lemon juice on here. I think I say thyme in my recipe. I happen to have some nice dried rosemary from my garden. Yeah. So that's going to be my flavoring. What I don't mention very much is salt, but I like salt. Sprinkling that with salt, and then just going to do some, this is like a margarine type butter, which you can use butter. Work it around. Look at how pretty. So, these are good to go. Hey. Oh my God, that is sweet. A little tang from, I want to finish this right now. A little tang from the lemon juice. A little rosemary in there. I can tell you how lovely this is. You've got to give this a try. Think of sweet potatoes. It's like always something else, pasta or white potatoes. No. And you know what? They are really good for you. And buy my cookbook. You can get it anywhere. Pop it in the toaster oven. Buy it on Amazon. Go to your bookstore. If you want to review it, go to your library. They should have it. And give these a try. And yeah, do that microwave oven test. The toaster oven against the microwave. You're going to find microwaves cook these. They steam them. but they don't concentrate the flavors. So that's what I like about the toaster oven. And that's what you should try.